guys, welcome again to our video. This is I want to show you some African delicacy which we are going to prepare today, and I'm going to show you on how to roast this one here. Actually, this is corn here. This one is already drying up, but I want to find somewhere here if I can find the ones which we can actually roast here. As you can have a look, I have this. I want to also have this one so that I can prepare it for our delicacy today, so you can have a look. Also, so guys, I've already picked this among others. I want to get them roasted here. I also prepared this is a charcoal jiko. It's a very good jiko. Actually, it's called jiko okoa. Yeah, normally it saves a lot of energy, and also saves some hassle over the same. So you can see very hot. This is charcoal. Yeah. So I want to roast some maize here, as you can see, so that we get, actually what you do, you put your maize there, and also there, and also this side, so that I can check them, they can get roasted there. So that's how I'm going to roast my maize, actually, so that you will get something from there and eat. So I don't know how you call that one. That is corn. I know some of you call it corn. These are my dusters here. So that's my jiko there, and also this is the container where I carried my corn from the shamba that I've shown you. Kindly, for those who have not subscribed to our channel, I welcome you to subscribe to our channel. That is my very hot charcoal there. That's what we get to cook with. So my jikokoa, as you can see there, it really conserves energy and it preserves energy, and it is very environmental friendly. So that's what we also use here in our home here in Africa. I don't know how you roast your maize there, wherever you are, but that's what we do there. So after it turns color like that, it's almost being roasted there. That's how so you keep on turning them till they become very. So actually my maize there, you can see it's really turning the color. Yeah, as it makes some. This one is almost ready, but this one also, as you can see, this one is almost turning. No, I don't want that. So actually that is how we roast the maize there. My maize is almost ready, so I'll share with the people I have around here so that we can take it. So actually that's a small video for today about roasting maize. So actually when it turns color like that, so what you ensure it turns golden brown like that. This one, yeah, it makes some popping sound there. Yeah, actually like popcorn, but this is corn, and we want to roast some here. That's what we are doing there. That is our very hot charcoal there, which really turns this maize into golden brown, as you can see. So that's our simple African meal, as you can see today, and that's what we take here in Africa. With that heat there, and also, so I have more here which I can want to prepare. I have more there. I want to prepare so that they turn the color like these ones. So that is our African delicacy here, and that's what we also want to enjoy today. I want to take them. Actually, that will be my dinner. I want to take them with a special meal, that is porridge. I want them to take with some porridge. Yeah, I have some cup here of porridge. I will give you a video on how we prepare that porridge. Okay, that 1 cup there with this golden brown, this one, yeah, I will be sorted for the night. It's very healthy, and my corn is organic here, fresh from the shamba like I showed you. So that's what we're going to take for our dinner. So kindly, I don't know, you can enjoy with me. I don't know how you enjoy it in your place, but that's what we take here in Africa. So my maize is ready. You can hear right now. I'm enjoying that part of it. You can have a look. Very sweet. So I want to take it with my cup of uji. We call it uji. It's actually prepared from the finger millet, and also from the millet, and also the cassava mixed together, and they're taken to the portion mill. So that is what we take as food here in Africa. So yeah, very good taste, well prepared. So I get to eat it. Kindly, for those who have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and also leave a nice comment down there. I want to appreciate those who have been watching us in the channel, and also I encourage those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and also share with friends so that our channel gets to grow, so that we get informed and also enjoy such good videos as this one here. So kindly guys, welcome to our next video. Thank you very much.